Is this audible now? Is this audible now? I'm sorry, it's a small technical glitch. Again, I want more people. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Some small technical glitch, okay? I'm sorry for previous disconnection. Hey, everything is fine, but I myself, because teacher should have a heart. So that heart should speak now. Yeah, Ashwandra, I mean, online, usually technical problems come. Okay. So kindly share this video, dear, please. I want more people. I'll never ever waste your time again. It is not wastage also. Some whatever we are going to share or how we have to go ahead should be discussed today. I want more. I want more. I want more. Please, only one time. Now, after yesterday's session, I felt bad. Means some pain. Okay. That pain is because we have three types of students with us now. Okay. Means two extremities are there. One extremity is our paid students who know the content, who know the subject, who remembered subject in a proper way. Okay. Because even yesterday's live session or day before yesterday live session, when I say Aditya Tiwari, okay, so when I say iron guyos, immediately he responded saying like forced marriage with iron. Okay. Because means our paid students, they know the subject. Okay. And another extremity is our YouTube users who don't know the complete subject. Okay. I was unable to maintain two extremities yesterday. That's why some pain here. Some pain here. Because what do you say? I started my career in my seventh standard. In my seventh standard, immediately after seventh standard, I used to go to daily wage work and all. Okay. I used to do in construction work. Daily, I used to earn 10 rupees. After that, in eighth standard, I started teaching. Okay. Because of my one of the faculty, he used to take one of the teacher, Mr. Kalahasti Suradu, he used to take concepts and I used to solve problems. From that day onwards, I started enjoying sharing the knowledge whatever I have. Okay. So from 8th standard to till date, in my engineering college also, If anyone have doubt, if anyone have any doubt in electrical engineering, they used to come to me only first in my batch, okay, or in my juniors batch, sub juniors batch, including seniors also used to come and ask, okay. So because I love sharing the knowledge, but in a proper way, okay. For example, sometime back I recorded cables. I recorded cables, okay. So in cables, I know cables. I know capacitance has to be calculated, resistance has to be calculated, insulation resistance, some kind of stuff, everything is fine. But rather than that, I have taken it starting, because whatever the subject we teach, it should go to the minds of the students in a proper way. Okay, teaching is not like book to mind. Okay, it should be book to heart to mind to mind to heart. Then only some kind of feeling will come. I started cables like this. Means India grid is connected with Nepal, is connected with Bhutan, is connected with Bangladesh, is connected with Sri Lanka also. Okay, but in order to reach Sri Lanka, around out of 285-kilometer stretch, 50 kilometers is there under the water. Under the water, we are forced to take underground cable. I started that way, because if I take that way, means people feel the connectivity, and after that some kind of formulas equation, because in order to solve only formulas equations, mathematician is enough. We need not study engineering. Okay. Anyway, yesterday means I had to manage our paid students who know the subject very well. I had to maintain new guys. Yesterday I got many replies and many messages to me saying like we are not understanding anything, because these guys became warheads, because they know immediately they will answer, they will answer, they will answer, and remaining guys demotivated. Remaining guys demotivated. Literally they got demotivated. They got scared. Okay. So I was unable to cater to the needs of the yesterday's live. I felt really bad. I felt really bad. From yesterday, I thought about it. I thought about it. I thought about it. And then today, I thought of sharing my views to you. Okay. First of all, the thing is, I have to anyway meet the both extremities. And in between, some more guys are there who joined our YouTube last year, or maybe this year, January, February. Okay, so they know previous things somewhat. Okay, so these whoever paid, they know everything, and these guys know a bit. These guys doesn't know anything. Okay, so our crash course, whatever the crash course we are about to launch, already we launched. It should meet the requirements of all these three people. So how we have to meet, means my view is like this. Okay, anyway, for them, concept should not be repeated. Okay, and the problem should not be repeated. And for them, for these guys, whoever joined our YouTube channel last year, problem should not be repeated. And for these guys, compulsorily concepts are required. Any problems are okay to them. Okay. Now, what I'm planning to do is, because I have to satisfy myself first. Maybe yesterday people may not know, because yesterday also we got 2,000 plus views, some likes, some dislikes. It's okay. Okay. But at least I should be happy in my heart. I should be happy in my heart. Then only I can do something. Getting my point, right? So my plan here is like this. I'm not going to give detailed concepts in order to satisfy them. I'm going to give concise concepts in order to satisfy them. And in order to satisfy them, I'm going to consider all new problems only. Okay. I'm not going to consider even a single Volgate question, single ESC question. Okay. I'm going to consider again new questions of maybe from workbook or from OTS. And we have anyway our team. I told to our team that today morning, I want all new questions. Very good questions. Okay. So from now onwards, crash will be, means you have to answer me whether it is good idea or not. Concepts will be covered in a very concise way, very much concise way. Because if concepts are at least, if we don't cover at least some part of the concepts, they will be disconnected. Okay. And all new problems I'm going to consider, which are as usual. I'll try to include conceptual questions. I'll try to include some other variation to satisfy these guys. Okay. How is it? How it would be the idea? because in yesterday live, the moment I'm seeing the answers, okay, these guys are really very fast, and these guys got scared. Then what is the purpose? Actually, फायदा क्या है? Okay, so that's great. So means from now onwards, all of our crash courses, Manlo, sorry, take it signals, or take it power electronics, or take maybe power systems, or machines, or measurements, or whatever it may be. We are going to come to you with all new problems only, such that advantages will be there for our paid students, because paid students, they paid. Okay, they have given salaries to 37 employees. Of course, you did not pay to me. Okay, I did not take money actually. Okay. Now, point here is crash course for maximum benefits to all. It is over. Okay. Next thing is live or recorded. Okay. Because the problem with live, because recorded, I never faced any problem till now. Okay. But with live, I feel the main problem is, even frankly speaking, we have our paid students. No. Okay. They know that. Yesterday, like I asked them, when should I come to live? One more session, daily 2 sessions I want to do. I said, they couldn't get to only one conclusion, that okay, you please do this time, because one guy will have college, another guy will say that okay sir, we will sleep roughly 2 to 3, we'll be in a sleepy mood. By seeing you, will become active, so you please come by 2 to 3. And college students say that evening 5 to 6, and maybe working guy may say that evening 8 to 9. Okay, and some guys propose that okay, 2 hours attached also we can say. Okay, we don't get drained and all, so attached you do. Meaning that one point yesterday I realized that whatever the advantages are there in online, we are trying to reduce the advantages by asking students to sit in one stipulated time, because it is online. No, the moment it's online, independent of time, independent of place, we can share our information, we can share the knowledge. Okay, why to limit students to forcefully to sit at okay, evening 5 o'clock you please come, or 6 o'clock you please come, because 6 o'clock he may have some work, or maybe people may have engineering college exams. Okay, during the exams nobody prepare for gate, right? At least during the exams. Okay, during vacation he want to prepare more. And the working guy, maybe whenever he get only Saturday Sunday weekend, so during weekend he prepare more. So yesterday I feel, it's my personal feeling, let me share. Till that point I don't see the comments. Okay, yesterday I feel that the advantage of online is independent of time, independent of place. Why to limit time? Okay, I don't know how others are investing thousands of crores into this, because I felt that, it's my personal feeling. Okay, maybe let them spend, it's their money. Okay, doesn't matter. And second thing is, in live definitely it is taking more time. Yesterday I was so pressurized, from starting only I was in pain. Because I decided that at least 14 questions should be solved in yesterday's session in 1 hour. I was able to do only 9 questions, 9 questions roughly, and those 9 questions also I did not focus much. Okay, you understood? No, okay, come on. You understood? No, come on. In that way I went. Getting my point, right? So point here is, but still I have taken 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, because comments should be seen now. And yesterday when I was speaking with maybe kind of one of the director of one of the organization, he told me that, sir, people will not come to live, people will watch recorded only. That's why in live maybe 3-4 members will watch. If 3-4 members are watching, what is the purpose again? Okay, means it's my view. After that, whatever you say, I'm going to do accordingly. Okay, now next thing is, ultimately people see recording only. Okay, maximum people. If maximum people see recording, or he suggested me that don't look at into comments. Okay, if comments is not seen, it's better to do recording only. No, getting my point, right? So if comment section is not seen, it is recorded only. If comment section is seen, then only kind of live interaction or some kind of stuff. Okay, anyway, for this crash I'm giving you the chance. You please decide whether to go with live or record, because definitely live is taking more time. Okay. Yesterday, 1 hour 15 minutes. If you watch the yesterday's video, you yourself will understand. Okay. Uh, So-called K.N. Rao did not teach from here. Somehow K.N. Rao taught from here. Okay. Time. But still, it took more time. It took more time. Okay. Anyway, we decided for future, gate 22 or ESC 21 or 22, we are going to go ahead with semi-live. Okay. So concepts will be there, recorded only. And the problems, doubt solving sessions, we will come to live. Okay. Because we should not waste time like that. Okay, just for 1.1 hour, maybe yesterday also, maximum we discussed 4-5 points. 1 hour 15 minutes, it is too much. It is too much. Okay. Now at the same time, problem here is, okay, if I go ahead with live, and after that, if you watch recorded, means in live it will take more time. No, unnecessarily, why to waste that much time? Getting my point, right? And that too, if it is recorded, if it is yesterday, for example, yesterday live session, if you consider, if it is released in recording, wherever old gate questions are there, okay, whoever already whoever already paid my course, then they could have skipped that, and they could have started whenever new thing came, or they could have started with 2x speed. Getting my point, right? So for example, in voltage regulation, if I solve some problems, if they know basics of voltage regulation, they will skip that and they will continue watching the new things. And whoever don't know the concepts, they will watch voltage regulation also, and then they will go. So this facility is also there in recording only. Okay. Now, what do you say, dear? I request all the people to comment today, please. Otherwise, this pain should go away from me. I thought about it a lot. Means teacher cannot speak from here. Okay. All the students are at least 50% of students, 25% of students cannot attend live classes. Why to pressurize students? Why to take the pressure here? Okay. So, live, yeah, Arjit Kumar Sarkar. Yes, I can go ahead with live also. And a weekly live session for gate 2022, we are going to consider that only. Weekly, Saturday, Sunday, we are going to have live sessions. Remaining time, people are going to prepare. And we meanwhile, they will watch recorded sessions, and Saturday, Sunday, live interaction with faculties. All the faculties will be there. I'll take it. But for this crash, because I committed crash, I'm not a man of money, I'm a man of commitment. Harish Kumar. Recorded Uttamam Guru Garu. Great. Yeah, for next year it will be semi-live. For next year it will be semi-live. But for this year crash, I decided to go ahead with after taking your suggestion only. Okay. We are going to go ahead with recording. Okay. Or else maybe today, if you want me to come to live for remaining 4 problems or 10 problems, I can come to live, and then later I can come to recording also. Okay. Because one more thing is, I asked other people, why you are coming to live? Because they told me that number of views will be more, sir. Then I cross-checked, that is true. Okay. So for my YouTube channel point of view, for my views point of view, definitely live would be better, but definitely it will waste the time of the students. Okay. Definitely it would waste time of the students who are preparing seriously. For them, live should not be there. Okay. Even I'm leaving my opportunity of increasing views. Okay. So we are going to go ahead with recording. At any point of time, if I want to talk with you, or if I want to have any kind of doubt discussions and all, I will come to live for this year. Okay. Now, next thing is how to revise syllabus. How to revise syllabus. This is more important at this point of time. Even I was speaking with yesterday also, day before yesterday also, from past 3-4 days, I have been speaking with students. Frankly, they are scared. Okay. One thing, for example, as I said, maybe voltage regulation of transformer, or maybe in synchronous machine armature reaction. Okay, let us consider armature reaction of synchronous machine. I might have taken 2-3 hours of sessions. What is armature reaction? What is happening inside? Okay, at this point, means previously you should have studied that, you should have viewed that, you should have watched that, whatever it may be. But point here is, at this point of time, you should not see, you should not watch the videos of armature reaction, because ultimately that armature reaction will be converted into reactants that will be called as synchronous reactants combinedly. So if you know synchronous reactants, done. Okay, now means complete armature reaction of 3 hours of condensified dense information, if you can leave, that's fine. No. Okay, for example, voltage regulation of transformer. Voltage regulation of transformer, I might have taken 5-6 videos, which is not required now. What are the 2 points which has to be remembered? Re per unit sin theta to, sorry, cos theta to plus or minus Xe per unit sin theta to voltage regulation equation. Okay, and after that, when maximum voltage regulation occur, when zero voltage regulation occur, that is enough. That is enough. In this way, you have to condensify information. For example, LC calculations of transmission line. Okay, so in LC calculations, don't derive the calculations of L, calculations of C. You know, I know that L equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Ln d by R. How to calculate GMD, how to calculate GMR? That is enough. Okay, so in this way, concise the information. And one problem with the students, I'll tell you, students, no, young and energetic, they always try to eat everything. Okay, for example, whoever has watched the videos, they feel that whatever I taught completely has to be remembered and you should become K.N.rao. Get my point, right? So point here is, I'm not saying I'm superior to you, nothing like that. Okay, but only concern is you are preparing for gate. I'm preparing for excellence in my subject. Okay, and whatever the means, just to give that equation of Re per unit cos theta to plus or minus Xe per unit sin theta to, how one human mind should be connected to that is my interest. Okay, normally I never teach by going through equations, calculations. No, always I feel that, I see that, yes, somehow this particular content should be connected with the minds of the students. If it is connected with the minds of the students, automatically they will learn, because they know mathematics, I know mathematics. Getting my point, right? So at this point of time, you should not go through all the stuff. You have to go through whatever is required. Okay, whatever is required. In that way, it will be done. Okay, hope you understood now. Okay, so hope you understood now how to revise syllabus. Just a minute here. Mrinal Kalaskar, what is your problem here? Arga Kamal is genius. You are not. Okay, I'm not genius. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now, anyway, next thing is, yeah, in order to make this, of course, I don't have any interest here. Okay. See here, I felt this way. I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. Okay. I felt that these guys are these guys. At this point of time, complete syllabus cannot be watched by any video lectures. Okay. So I also don't recommend watching my complete questions, watching my complete power systems or complete power electrons. I don't recommend. But for these guys, okay, for these guys, definitely if you think of power electronics, choppers, inverters are hard. Okay, at least choppers, inverters section, many people has to revise. You may not want complete power electronics. At the same time, maybe in synchronous machines, many people have doubts. In DC machines, nobody will have doubts. Okay, so nobody want DC machines lectures as of now, but most of the people want synchronous lectures. Okay, beyond from our crash. So I'm thinking that anyway 3 years. Okay, anyway, sorry, not 3 years, 3 months. Okay, means we are going to launch a course for validity of 3 months only. With complete course. Okay, of maybe I don't let us another 6K. Who will stop me? Okay, so 3 months G drive course it will be, because for us bandwidth cost will be there. If it is G drive, bandwidth cost will be limited, but for G drive we have to buy kind of encryption, something like that. Okay, so G drive course for 3 months we are going to give away for 6,000. And if these guys want to extend for gate 2022, okay, for gate 2022 or AC 2022, whatever it may be, I'm not going to increase the fees. Fees will be 20K only. Even for gate 22 also, it will be 20K only. And for example, if anybody take this G drive, and after that, if they want to convert to 2022, that extra payment, okay, so 20,000 for 2022 minus 6K plus some kind of maybe 500, 600, whatever we have to pay to the encryption and all may have to be paid. 500, 600, 1,000 may extra may have to be paid, but these guys can be carried forwarded. Okay, anything? No, it's not for paid users, Baba. It's not for paid. For outsiders, I said clearly, right? So for outsiders, for these guys, okay, these are paid users. They became very strong. We need not bother about them. Okay. For these users, if they want, because I told you, complete content, complete course, nobody watch now. Because in machines only, DC machines, who want DC machines? Everybody will be good in DC machines. Because only problems, equations. Nothing more will be there. It is easy, without power factor, without harmonics, without application, without anything. So those things nobody wants. But synchronous you may want. But I cannot say, okay, synchronous I will give here, power electrons I will give here. Maybe some guys may be very strong in inverters and choppers also, maybe weak in rectifiers. Okay, so how can I cater to the needs? So I thought that, along with the team only, I thought that let me give complete course for the new guys. For the new guys, whoever want to join now, they can pay 6K only, and they can be extended to 2022 also if they want, by paying the balance amount of money plus 500, 600 more. That's it. Yeah, Aditya, I will maintain both live and recording. Means I will decide what are the things which has to be come to live. Okay, what are the things which can be done in recording. I'm from electrical guy, obviously electrical only. Okay, if you want anything more, please let me know, because in future I may not come to live for this kind of discussions and all. Once machine crash is over, I clearly told you, Shruti Kumari. If anybody want, they know my WhatsApp number, right? So they can be in touch with me. Only WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. If anyone want to share anything, you can share. Definitely, I will try to help you for sure. Okay. Very all the best, guys. Very all the best.